it's the Country Boy 33. I have a video today about mattress for you campers. Let's take a look at some. Here are some RV mattress. This is the one that came out of my camper. As you can see, there's not much to these mattresses. Very soft, back hurts. Everybody has trouble with them. But that is one of the things with buying a camper that you get. As much money as they cost, you still get a cheap mattress. Let's go out to the camper, take a look at a new mattress. This is a mattress that I ordered online. This mattress costs only $180. A lot cheaper than most mattresses you see for RVs. It is a 4 queen size mattress, and you can see how nice and thick it is. It is very comfortable. Really nice mattress. The company that I bought this from, I find online, and here's the name of the mattress. You can see, look online and find this name, and you can get this mattress for 180 bucks. It feels and sleeps as good as those $800 and $900 mattress. Look how nice and firm it is. If you like this video, leave me comments. Give me a like and a thumbs up. And also, how about subscribing to my channel? Help this old country boy grow his channel. I started doing more videos. It is just about that time of the year for to start making new videos, new camping trips, new adventures. So come along and join me. As you can see, the camper is all wrapped up for the winter. Got a few more months before I unwrap it. The truck is ready. I'm ready to start the season. So go check that out online if you want a good mattress for the price. Remember, this is what it comes with to what you can have. The electric bike sitting there ready to go. Grills, generators, and I have started to stock my refrigerator, getting it ready for the camping season. What do you guys do during the off season? Do you prep for the upcoming season? Do you work on your camper? Leave some comments. My name is Barry. Thank you for watching.